Hi, let's practice speaking. I say the lines above, you say the lines below. So, what are your current goals in life? And how do you plan to reach your goals? Interesting. So, how often do you set goals for yourself? Interesting. Great! I hope you achieve whatever you're trying to have. How motivated are you in general? Nice. What motivates you to do things? Yeah? Really? So what do you do if you feel demotivated? Good point. I hope you find the true motivation in your life. What are your plans for next year? Sounds like a great plan. And what are your plans for English? I know. Nice. And what do you think about this quote? Having no plan is a plan to fail. Absolutely. So always bear in mind to have a proper plan for your goals.